If you're looking up sold prices on a particular street, there are two ways to go about it. The first way is to run an unavailable search on TREB, and you'll see here the search I ran gave me two results. My sold prices are 682 and 702. I'm also going to double check this by going to Geoware, which is over here on the left-hand side of the column. Or if you're on a particular listing, you can click the Geowarehouse button at the top of the listing. So this should bring you to the Geowarehouse store. Okay, and when you type in your address of the property that you're looking up, you'll see a tab here called Neighborhood Sales. When you click Neighborhood Sales, it'll ask you for a date range. I'm going to choose everything in the last year and click Show Results. Okay, now you'll see I have a third sale that's populated, and it's a private sale. So you can see without it, the average sale value in this neighborhood is $692. But when you add in that third private sale, it jumps to $744, which is definitely valuable information that you're going to need.